About this item function, this compact Canon CA110 camcorder charger AC adapter, compatible with original Canon S67 adapter. Compatible with CA110 CA110 power adapter for Canon VIXIA HF-R800, HF-R82, HF-R80, LEGRIA HF-R66, HF-R67, HF-R68, HF-R606, VIXIA HF-M50, HF-M52, HF-M500, HF-R40, HF-R42, HF-R400, VIXIA Mini, VIXIA Mini X, VIXIA HF-R20, HF-R21, HF-R200, HF-R30, HF-R32, HF-R300, VIXIA HF-R62, HF-R60, HF-R600, LEGRIA HF-R26, HF-R27, HF-R28, HF-R205, HF-R206, VIXIA HF-R50, HF-R52, HF-R500. Charger power supply cord, replacement CA110 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 E5072B002 A5072B002 5072B003A. Product specification: power 8W, input 100V 240 back 1.5 max 50/60 Hz, output DC 5.3V/1.5A. Advantage: exactly implement for lengthy studio shoots with no need to continuously replace and recharge multiple batteries. Convenient for studio shoot and when you are downloading, processing or viewing photos or videos when connected to your PC, TV, or VCR. Packing list: 1 9-foot connector US-AC cable, 1 CA110 AC power adapter. Combination purchase tips: CA110 AC power adapter USB cord, ASIN V07VRT1FHA. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item function: this compact Canon CA110 camcorder charger AC adapter, compatible with original Canon S67 adapter. Compatible with CA110 CA110